Experiencing call problems with T-Mobile? It often boils down to three key issues: your SIM card, VoLTE settings, or network registration. First, check your SIM. Is it properly inserted and undamaged? Look for a no SIM error in your phone's settings under Network and Internet SIM status. Next, ensure VoLTE, Voice over LTE, is enabled. This is crucial for call quality on T-Mobile since they phased out 3G in 2022. Find the VoLTE setting in your mobile network settings on Android or cellular data options on iOS. Finally, network registration is essential for connecting to T-Mobile's towers. Are you in an area with good coverage? If not, that can be the problem. Confirm your APN settings are correct. fast.tmobile.com. Start by performing a soft restart on your device. If the issue persists, move on to checking settings. If basic checks don't resolve your call issues, T-Mobile provides advanced troubleshooting through their app with AI-powered diagnostics that can detect and fix problems with SIM, VoLTE, and network registration automatically. The app can automatically toggle VoLTE settings with your permission to fix common call problems. Ensure your device firmware and operating system are up to date as T-Mobile releases patches to fix VoLTE handshake bugs. Resetting network settings can resolve many issues. Navigate to Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. In rural areas, enable Wi-Fi calling as a workaround. Find it under Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi calling.